The Spitfire Asian Property Recovery Fund seeks to initially exploit recovery themes in Asia by selecting discounted property investment opportunities that will provide outstanding capital growth and attractive levels of income.
Asia, like Europe, followed the Americas into the recession. The concept that Asia was going to be the new economic engine for the world without significant influence from the West was disproven. From an economic point of view, however, Asia had more recently been through a financial crisis and was arguably better poised to handle the downturn, not only from its high economic growth rates, but also because many of its companies were less highly geared. Similar to Brazil, China is going through a unique experience to release capital into the system through residential value creation. With many of the first movers already in China and India, attention has spread further, particularly to Vietnam and Indonesia. It is becoming increasingly common to hear Vietnam called the new China and Indonesia called the new India.
Shanghai, Hong Kong and Beijing are named as the top 3 real estate investment prospects by the Emerging Trends in Real Estate Asia Pacific 2010 report from the Urban Land Institute and PricewaterhouseCoopers. Shanghai, Mumbai and New Delhi are top for real estate development opportunities, followed by Ho Chi Minh City.
It is important, however, not to ignore the mature economies in Japan, Singapore, and Hong Kong. The ability to move between mature economy and developing economy opportunities in these regions is of paramount importance. On the indirect side, real estate investment trusts and REOCs have led the way back. These have been particularly attractive during the debt crisis, since gearing for most listed Asian property companies ranged between 30% to 40%.
The Spitfire Asian Property Recovery Fund will invest in open-ended property funds, listed closed-end property companies, global quoted property stocks, real estate investment trusts, exchange-traded funds, and any other suitable Asian property-related investments.
The Spitfire Asian Property Recovery Fund uses its focused view in the direct, indirect, and real estate hedge fund markets to find relative deep value plays and mispricing opportunities. Given the recovery phase that the Asian real estate markets are entering, this offers a well-timed entry point into Asian property.
The Spitfire Asian Property Recovery Fund is listed on the Bermuda Stock Exchange, the world's largest offshore, fully electronic securities market. Recognized by the US Securities Exchange Commission as a designated offshore securities exchange, and by the UK Financial Services Authority as a designated investment exchange. For an application form offering memorandum and more information about the Spitfire Asian Property Recovery Fund, click on the links below.